Dear ADC promoters, all of you have purchased bulk packages of subscription codes. Neither you have given money on interest or on an investment basis. It was for the purchase of subscription codes which we have given. All of you people have purchased these bulk packages so that you need to sell the subscription codes and make profits. Instead of selling subscription codes, you people were getting more and more bulk packages being sold for the sake of commission. That was not our objective. You need to sell subscription codes. Secondly, few of them have created multiple accounts using number of SIM cards, making multiple bulk purchases for the sake of commission again. And again our objective was defeated. In this scenario, we were forced to change the compensation plan in such a way that more subscription codes are being sold. After the plan changed, everybody stopped doing business. They were not selling any codes or packages. This ultimately resulted in slowing down of business, and again Corona was also a major effect in slowing down the business. There was no input to the company. In fact, what money you paid, the company received only 10%. 90% of the payments were going to your team members, upline team members, in the form of direct referral commission and indirect referral commission, which amounted to 60%. 20% GST was paid. Again that has gone, and another 10% expenditure. So net 5 to 10% is what the company have received. But we all have incurred losses. We need to come out of these losses. You and me both have to come out of the losses. For this, we are now proposing that we shall be allotting land equal to your loss amount without any extra payment. You need not pay any extra money. Whatever balances you have got as loss has been reflected in the website assetdirect.net. There a R wallet is created where your loss amount has been already credited. From there you can use and start purchasing. Actually, most of the people are in a panic mode. They need not be in panic mode because company is taking all initiation to recover the losses in spite of the company not receiving full payments. You have to appreciate the fact and don't go in for giving complaints and all, because that will become a dangerous situation. Our company accounts will be freezed and we will not be in a position to do any kind of settlement either in cash or in land. Nothing is possible. So please refrain yourself from going to give complaints, or if you already given, take back your complaints. Now the land which we will be giving you will come with a buyback agreement. The land value will double in 4 years. After 4 years, you can get double the value of your money. In nowadays scenario, even banks are not able to double your money in 10 years. Whereas here you can double your money in just 4 years, which is a very good option. Now how the land value will increase? How can we give the double the land value? Is that we are going to come up with a sandalwood plantation in the lands which are registered to you. In your registered lands, we will do sandalwood cultivation and see that the land value appreciates heavily. So after 4 years, you can use your buyback option and get the double amount, or you can wait till the plantation is over, where each plant will get 6 lakhs rupees, out of which 3 lakhs is paid to you and 3 lakhs the company retains for maintaining of the plantation. So I request all of you to use your ADC password in assetdirect.net from the next Wednesday to to purchase the land out of your R wallet balance without making any single rupee extra, so that all your losses are recovered. Please spread this message with your team members that the company has now come with this wonderful option where you can not only recover your loss but also make profit. So you came here to do business and earn profits. You are not here to recover your money. You have come here to make profits. So that option is still alive. You can make profits by converting your loss into land, and the company is there to support you, and this land will stand as a security to your money which you have lost. So I sincerely request you, all of you, to use this option immediately. There is a certain documentation procedure. You need to send some documents to us. We will, using those documents, we will register the land on your name and send the same to you by registered post. So your money is safe and secure in the form of land. Even though the company has not received your payments, we are rising to the occasion and seeing that, creating an opportunity where you recover your losses along with profit. And ultimate the thing is, it is an optional thing. If you are satisfied with our land proposal and if you are interested in marketing our land proposal, you are always requested to do it. This activity will generate more commissions. You keep selling our lands and generate profits starting from 300 to 54,000 rupees per day. That's a beautiful business plan designed. This is an optional thing. If you feel you're comfortable, yes, the company is honest and genuine, then you can start doing this. So I sincerely request you to be with us in this hard time of Corona. We are with you and we can travel together to a greater heights with our Asset Direct plan. Thank you once again.